It is Tuesday. This morning we just kind of worked and did stuff around the house. And now we are heading into Tweetsie.
Okay, we made it safe.
Wait. 2 kids.
We're going. I guess we're going in the caboose.
North Carolina Railroad, or ET and WNC, between Johnson City, Tennessee and Boone. Folks back then used to say proudly that ET and WNC also stood for every time and with no complaint.
To my left is my brother Tabasco. And together we are the Flaming Hot Dog Bandits.
This is big.
But there's nothing on this train to roll.
There's no gold on this train?
It's not on here. I took it on up to Fort Bend.
1, 2, 3,
It'll be further up.
Alright. Tabasco, Cayenne, did you see any gold back there? I didn't see any sign of no gold. I didn't either. I'm starting to think that those law dogs were a bit or two. Well, why don't you ask them? They're right there. Oh! Wait for me, Fox. I'm going to follow you. All right, come on, let's go. Get back here. Oh, I am so sorry. Excuse you. I was trying to help.
That was a close one. Well, let's head on back to town and I'll tell you a little bit more about the train.
Sorry about the doctrine of discovery. Now in jail. You're in jail. Look at all that.
We're the Tweetsie Cloggers, and we're very happy that you've decided to join us.
We are now at chairlift. And lift.
Yeah, this is like little kids stuff.
Nice.
This is kind of fun for them.
Ooh, I feel like I'm at mushrooms. Thank you. Bye, nieces. Bye. Oh my goodness, I didn't see you. Home sweet home.